snore and wear a night guard, it might be making things worse. Keep watching to find out why.
Don't wear a night guard if you snore. As having had a maxi residency program from Tufts in dental pain and dental sleep medicine, I can tell you that a traditional night guard can actually be making your breathing and snoring and overall sleep even worse. Most of the time, the reason we're grinding our teeth is because we can't actually breathe well. If you have a traditional night guard and you're snoring, come see us. We can talk about some better options for you.